Hello, you're welcome to our math classroom. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell. So we are still looking at our matrices and we are talking about solution of a set of linear equations. So we've already done that using the matrices. Today we want to look at using determinants to find the unknown variables you have. So we are starting with two unknowns. So if I have a set of equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, the unknowns we have are two, that is our x and y. We are saying the solution is given by x over dx equal to y over dy equal to 1 over d. What is the x, one may ask? We are saying the x is the determinant if I cover up x. So if I cover up x, this is what I have. So I have the matrix b1, c1, b2, c2. So that is the determinant. Then the y is if I cover up y, what do you see? You only see ax, a1x, then c1. So I have a1, c1, then a2, c2. So you find the determinant. And d is when I cover up my constants. This is what I have. So I have a1, b1, a2, b2. So let's take this example. So I have 3x plus 4y minus 2 to be equal to 0. Then 4x minus 2y minus 4, which is equal to 0. Let's find the determinant if I cover up x. So if you cover x, what are you seeing? Okay, so I have 4 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. Then if I cover up y, I have 3 minus 2 minus what? 4. So let's find the determinants, which you already know. So we multiply 4 times 4 minus 4, which is minus 16. 2 times 2 is positive 4. So the minus, so what do I have? Minus 20. And if I find the y, that is the determinant for the y part. So you multiply minus 12 minus what? 8. So it becomes positive. And this is what I have, minus 4. We do the same thing for d. So we said d is a1, b1. So what is my a1? My a1 here is 3, b1 is 4, then a2 is 4, then b2 is what? Minus 2. So let's find the determinants. What do I have? 3 times minus 2 minus 4 times 4. So I have what? Minus 6 minus what? 4, 16. So what do I have here? Minus what? 22. So this is the solution. So now let's find the values for x and y. So the general solution, if you remember, x over dx equal to y over dy equal to 1 over what? D. So I have x. What is our dx? Minus 20 equal to y over dy. dy is what? Minus what? 4 equal to d, 1 over d. What is d? d is what? Minus what? 22. So let's solve for x. So x over minus 20, it's equal to 1 over minus what? 22. So what do I have? Okay, so what do we have? So we have 22 minus 22x to be equal to minus what? 20. So x is going to be 20 minus 20 minus 20 divided by what? 22. So we can simplify to the simplest form. So what do I have? 10 over what? 11. That is for x. And y is going to be, so the second part is y over minus 4 to be equal to 1 over minus what? 22. Let's solve for the value of y as well. So I have minus 22y minus what? 4. Y is then minus 4 over minus 22, which is what? Simplify to the simplest form. What do I have? 2 over what? 11. This implies that the value of x is equal to what? 10 over 11. Then that of y is also 2 over what? 11. So this is for the variables what? X and y. Let's take another example. Okay, so our second example, we have 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0, minus 2x minus 2y plus 3 equal to what? 0. We want to find the variables x and what? Y, the two unknowns. We are saying the solution is giving us x over dx equal to y over dy equal to what? 1 over what? D. What is the x? The x is a determinant if I cover the x part. So what do I have? If I cover, I have 4 minus 1 minus 2 and 3. Let's find the determinants. What do I have? 4 times 3 minus 1 times minus 2. So I have 12 minus 2, which is what? 10. Let's do the same for the y. If you cover up y, if I cover up y, so dy, let's cover up y. What do I have? 3 minus 1. Then I have minus 2, 3. Okay, let's find the determinants, which is going to be what? 3 times 3 minus 1 times minus 2, which is 9 minus 2, which is equal to what? 7. Let's do the same for D. If we cover up the constants, what do I have? Let's find the determinants. I have 3, 4, minus 2, minus what? 2. Okay, so 3 times minus 2 minus 4 times minus 2. So what do we have here? Minus 6. This is going to be what? Positive plus 8, which is equal to what? 2. So now we have x. What is the x? It's what? 10 equal to y. What is the y? The y is what? 7 and 1 over d, which is what? 2. So let's find the values of x and y. So x over 10, it's equal to 1 over what? 2. So I have 2x equal to 10. So x here, it's equal to what? 5. Then y over 7 equal to 1 over what? 2. So I have 2y equal to what? 7. Y here will be equal to what? 7 over what? 2. Which is 3.5. So that is how to go about it if I'm using determinants for two unknowns. In our next lecture, we'll be looking at solving the same thing with 3 unknowns. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.